I also explored the user interface on the new Ugoos SK2 Google TV, and I was thoroughly impressed. Powered by Android TV 12, the Google TV experience is sleek, intuitive, and incredibly user-friendly. It delivers a rich, personalized content hub that feels truly tailored to your tastes, recommending shows, movies, and apps based on what you love. Navigating through the interface is smooth and responsive, and the built-in voice control adds an entirely new level of convenience. With just a simple voice command, I could search for content, launch apps, and even control smart home devices, no remote needed. It's fast, accurate, and effortlessly smart. And thanks to Chromecast built-in, sharing content from my phone to the TV was as simple as a tap. Whether it was streaming my favorite shows, displaying photos, or casting apps, everything synced seamlessly. The Ugoos SK2 doesn't just offer a powerful media box. It delivers a refined, next-gen smart TV experience that feels intelligent, responsive, and incredibly easy to use.